Hello everyone, Napster here. I'm a member of one of the Tinkercad Facebook groups and someone asked if this shape can be done in Tinkercad. So I took it as a challenge and tried to do it myself. So here we go. So first I'm gonna make a name for it, and next I'm gonna make a base for it. Since there are no dimensions mentioned in the post, I'm just gonna eyeball everything. I'll just use maybe a 40 by 40 millimeter circle with maybe a 3 millimeter height. Next, I'm gonna use the donut shape to make the border. Again, I'm just eyeballing it. I'm not really a fan of this shape, so I don't use it much. I'm not familiar with the parameters here, but I'm just gonna eyeball it, adjust it a little at a time. Okay, seems right. Maybe make it a little smaller. Make the border a little narrower. Okay, looks good, but I have to increase the sides, but it's still too rough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate the border or the torus or the donut shape. I'm gonna duplicate it and rotate it a few degrees and see if it will smoothen out the shape. Okay, so I duplicated it and rotated 3 degrees, then keep on duplicating until I'm happy with the smoothness. So I think this is an okay base. Maybe I should have widened the cylinder at the bottom a bit more, but this is fine for now. So now I'm gonna make the concentric circles. Again, just eyeballing everything. I'm gonna make it 4 millimeters because the base cylinder is 3 millimeters. So this shape is gonna protrude above the face by around 1 millimeter. Okay, I think it's a little too big comparing it to the image that was posted on the Facebook group. And I noticed that one circle was at the middle of the bigger base. So I center aligned it, and now I'm gonna duplicate it and watch what I will do. So I'm gonna duplicate the two circles, then group them together, then rotate them 60 degrees. Okay, I have to pull it out of that snap thing. Okay, 60 degrees and duplicate one more time. Then I also duplicated the middle circle and adjusted it. So it looks okay. I have to group the small circles first so I can move them as a group. Then I'm gonna try to align them to the circle, the bigger circle. I think the small circles are too small, but again, we're just eyeballing everything. So as a workaround, I'm adjusting the base. Okay, and it looks like about right. Okay, I'll pull up the image and compare it. So there you go. That's one quick way to do the shape in Tinkercad. Thanks for watching.